Alright guys, here I'll detail how to use Reminders app on iPhone. So if you want to use the Reminder application, set a reminder on your iPhone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to give this a thumb up and do subscribe to our YouTube channel as this will help us to grow. Now to use the Reminders app on your iPhone, all you just need to do is first, open the Reminders application. You can easily find this on the app menu. And if the Reminders app is missing, just click on the Spotlight search and search for Reminders. And select it. Once you selected the reminders, you're going to see all reminders you have had set up. You're going to have today's reminder, scheduled, all, and flagged. Then if you have any completed reminders, then you should have it under completed. And here are all the reminders. If you expand this, you should have access to all your reminders. Then you can add list or new reminder. So let's start with creating a new reminder. To create a new reminder on your iPhone, just click on new reminder. Then give this reminder a name. So I'm just going to say to do. Then note, if you have any information about this particular reminder, just come to note and type this. I'm just going to say do this ASAP. Then come to details, expand it. Do you want to show date, time, flag, location when messaging, flag, and then the rest of them? You can also add image to the reminder. To show date, just turn on date and then set date for the reminder. You can say tomorrow, Friday, January 31st. So just set the date for this particular reminder. Or if you want to change the month, then if you want to set a particular time for the reminder, enable time, and then let's make this 6 a.m. Then if you want this reminder to remind you early, just come here and select early reminder, and then let this remind me 30 minutes before the actual time. Then if you want to repeat reminder, then select how often you want this reminder to be repeated. So in this case, let's say I want this reminder to be repeated bi-weekly. Then do you want to end repeat? You can end repeat date. Then let me end this on 31st. Then again, you can also use hashtag to categorize your reminders. Then you can add your location, but here be prompted to turn on location on your iPhone. So if you turn on location, then it should say current, getting in, getting out, and then set a custom location. So you can also turn on when messaging. Selecting this option will show the item notification when chatting with a person in a message. So if this is turned on, this will pop information about this particular reminder while chatting on iMessage. Come here and click on choose person. Once you click on choose person, come here and select the person you want this to pop on while chatting. Then you have it here. Then you can also set a priority. Select that. Make the priority high or low depending on your choice. Then click on add. Once you hit the add button, then you should see your reminder scheduled here. So if you scroll down, then you should see rest of February. This is my new reminder, and this is going to pop on the message whenever I'm chatting with my woman. Then hit the back button. You can also add list on the reminders. So just give your list a name, template, and once everything is done, go ahead and click on at top right. And that's basically how to use Reminders app on an iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.